Welcome to our channel. Rockspace Wi-Fi Extender not working? Quick fixes solutions. Check power supply. Always ensure your Rockspace Wi-Fi Extender is plugged firmly into a working power socket, and confirm that the power LED light is glowing steadily. Verify router connection. Double-check that the extender is successfully paired with your main router, either through the WPS button or by using the manual setup method. Restart the extender. A quick restart often solves many temporary errors. Switch off the extender, wait at least 10 to 15 seconds, and then turn it back on. Reset to factory settings. If the device still refuses to work properly, press and hold the reset button for about 10 seconds until the lights blink, restoring it to factory defaults. Check Wi-Fi distance. Position your extender within a reasonable range of your main Wi-Fi router, neither too close nor too far, to maintain a stable connection. Update firmware. Visit the official Rockspace support website to check for the latest firmware version, then update it to improve speed, stability, and fix bugs. Avoid interference. Keep the extender away from heavy signal blockers like thick concrete walls, cordless phones, or microwave ovens to ensure smooth performance. Reconfigure the extender. If the connection drops repeatedly, go through the setup process once again to make sure all settings are applied correctly. Check device compatibility. Confirm that the devices you are trying to connect, such as smartphones, laptops, or TVs, are compatible with the extender's Wi-Fi band, 2.4 GHz or 5 GHz. Try a different location. Sometimes the simplest fix is to relocate the extender to a better spot in your home where the router signal is strong and stable. Thank you for watching.